Hello friends, welcome to today's video. I wanted to try a geode again. This time I'm going to be using the Color Joy Mermaid's Dream color cream for the main color, and then for the accent color I'm trying to decide between the mica gold or the alcohol ink gold. I'm not sure which one would be better. So let's see which one I end up using. I don't know. You guys will know sooner than I will. Well, that's not true. I will know sooner than you guys will, but in the video, you guys, never mind. Anyway, so yeah, so that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to try it to where I pour the blue around the outside edges and then go in with a layer of gold and then clear. That's my plan. That's what I'm going to try to do. By the way, if you look in the description, you'll see a coupon code for 10% off any purchase at Dryer Days Art Studio. It doesn't cost you guys anything, and it gets me a little commission, which is great. So if you want to support me, and also Catherine, her color creams are just to die for. They really and truly are. Then yeah, just hit up that link in the description. As always, anything that I use is listed in the description. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get some resin mixed up and let's get it started. Alright, friends. I'm so excited to demold these. I really wish that I had like a time-lapse camera going, because these, or at least this side, came out so cool looking and totally not at all what I thought they were going to look like. So, the other thing that I noticed before I even demold, I wanted to point this out. For some reason, there is a lump on the back of this one, so it's like extended down. I'm not sure why that happened or how the hell that even happened. The mold wasn't warped before I poured the resin in, so I don't know. I mean, maybe it got too hot too fast or something. I'm not sure. So if you guys have ever experienced that and you know, like, maybe what the cause might be, let me know. I'm really not sure. But anyway, let's demold. This side is gorgeous. So even if I hate the other side, I love this side. Look at it. And it's got so much depth to it. Oh, it's beautiful. All right, let's see. Yep. Okay, so this side is, I mean, it's still kind of pretty. It's got that alligator skin looking thing. But this side is, holy guacamole, so beautiful. Oh, oh, I love it. Okay, let's get out Lumpy. Again, it really does kind of have a geode look to it. And I'm really, really hoping that the camera is picking up on that depth in there. Let me see. It's just, oh, so stunning. There's the underside again. Yeah, I don't understand it. You know? Like, it's not supposed to do that. It's supposed to be nice and flat like this one. I have no clue what the hell could have happened to it. Also, it's funny. In the clear resin, I can see in this one that some of the resin was not... Oh, that's not even going to show on the camera. That's weird. Some of the resin at the end was not fully mixed. So there's like some striations, which is really cool too, because it still gives it, you know, a really cool look. But I mean, come on now. These are, other than the lump, these in my mind are absolutely perfect. I think they turned out fantastically. I am so stoked. You guys, I've had so many fails for the past few weeks, and I'm so happy. And anyway, that is today's video. If you enjoyed it, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. It really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new and you enjoyed this video or enjoy videos of this type, feel free to stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you all so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.